Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. If you are a fall lover like I am, I have the perfect fall accessory. It is these beautiful gold earrings by GELVTIC of little maple leaves. Nothing says fall to me like those bright red maple trees that you see everywhere. And now you can have a little gold maple leaf with you wherever you go. These are such a nice, simplistic earring, which I love because you can wear them every day, but they are fancy enough. They also will dress up any outfit. They have a really cool texture. It's not just smooth across the front, but it has texture like a relief, and it also captures the sunlight in different ways and gives these an extra little shimmeriness to them. I get so many compliments on these. They are extremely lightweight, and if you notice, they're not a loose dangly earring. So it is on a hook. It just hooks on your ear and then it stays nice and in place. These would make a great gift for any woman that you know. They come in a beautiful blue box, so it is ready to give as a gift and they will absolutely adore them just as much as I have. So if you are ready to start your fall with the most beautiful accessory I've ever seen for fall, it's this one. But that's just my point of view.